Before you turn on your Galaxy Tab S10 FE, make sure you've activated it with Spectrum Mobile. To set up your device after it's been activated, follow these steps. To turn on the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, press and hold the power button on the side of the device. Note, make sure the battery is at least 20% charged. Choose a language and then choose Start. Read the terms and conditions and then choose Agree to All, optional. Choose Agree. Optional, uncheck I agree to the sending of diagnostic data to Samsung, optional. Choose Next. Choose Accept. Choose OK. Choose Next. Choose Galaxy or Android device or iPhone or iPad and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your phone using another device. Otherwise, choose Setup manually. All available wireless networks within range of your Galaxy Tab S10 FE are listed. Choose the network to which you want to connect. If the network isn't listed, make sure it's turned on and within range of the Galaxy Tab S10 FE. If prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password and choose Connect. Otherwise, go to the next step. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE is now connected to the Wi-Fi network. Choose Next. If you backed up your old device, you can restore your data now. Choose Next to restore your backup and follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, choose Don't Copy. Choose Email or Phone and enter your email address. If you don't have a Google account, choose Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose Next. Under Enter your password, enter your password. Choose Next. Read the terms and conditions and then choose I agree. Choose a security feature and follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, choose Skip. If prompted, choose Skip anyway. Otherwise, go to the next step. Scroll down and choose Accept. Optional, turn off any of the Google Services options. To create a backup of all data on the Galaxy Tab S10 FE, choose Turn on Backup. Otherwise, choose Don't Backup. Choose Continue. Choose an option. Sign in to your Samsung account and follow the on-screen instructions, or choose Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Choose Set Up Later in Settings. Choose Skip. Read the terms and conditions, and then choose Terms and Conditions. Choose Agree. Choose Agree. Choose an option. Choose Next. Choose an option and choose Next. Choose Next. Choose Home. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE is ready for use. Now you can make or receive calls using the phone app, send and receive texts using the Messages app, browse the web from the Internet app,